Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal cookies without sugar. First, let's talk about natural sweeteners. Ripe bananas are fantastic for adding sweetness and moisture, especially when mashed. Dates, pureed into a paste, also work wonderfully. For a more traditional sugar texture, you can use erythritol or stevia in your recipe. These alternatives help maintain a delicious flavor without added sugar. Now, let's combine our ingredients. In a large bowl, cream together 1/2 cup of softened butter or coconut oil with your chosen sugar substitute until light and fluffy. Next, beat in 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 cups of rolled oats, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and cinnamon. Once your wet and dry ingredients are ready, it's time to combine them. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. For delicious variations, consider adding 1/2 cup of sugar-free chocolate chips, chopped walnuts, or dried cranberries to your dough. Always let the cookies cool completely on a wire rack before storing them in an airtight container for up to 5 days. They also freeze well for longer storage. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help keep your kitchen spotless after baking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.